Well, let's have a look at it. Here it is. Don't look too bad actually. A little bit of dirt on it. Fixing it still for still rock solid. That hasn't moved. I don't think it's going to move. The solar panel managed to keep clean. Still sucks solid. There's a bit of mossy stuff growing underneath it, but I can clean that out, it's not a problem. Yeah, the lens has stayed clean. Nothing on there. Full charge in the battery. Really impressed. I was considering taking it off just for the winter months. Just to keep it out of the frost and the snow and what have you if we get any. But, oh, well impressed really. We can have a look at the car setup, see what the picture's still like. But all in all, very satisfied with the product. Very satisfied with losing my teeth. With the results. Thoroughly recommend. So for those of you who have asked a question or haven't seen the video, this is the screen. I've simply got a piece of plate, rolled it round, that's all it is, bolted a bracket on the back, and that lipped edge slips under here nicely. So what we do is we put it on there, a bit of jiggery pokery, it pushes in, it sits just there. Yes, it does sit high, but I'm up higher than it and I can see the bonnet beyond here, so it's not in my it's not in my way, so to speak. We plug this into here. We've got another outlet, and yeah, we're good to go. That's the screen just booting up, and because the Caravan sits around the corner of the house 90 degrees away from where we are, it's transmitting all the time. So yeah, really pleased with it. Even though it's been raining, cloudy for the last week or more, we've still got a lot of power in it. It's full power, you can't just see it, but it's there. Full power on the battery. The picture's lovely and clear. And just to complete the setup, with the tyre pal, the Auto-Vox monitor, we have the TomTom, which just plugs in there. Just goes through a boot up. Takes a bit of time. That has sent us astray once or twice. Once in France with the Caravan, which was a bit of a nightmare. But I think that might have been the way I'd get it set. I'm not sure. But yeah, we're all set to go. That's what it looks like on a really wet day. We ventured out in the storm today. It's not windy, but it's raining like anything.